Now, after having listed and recalled those things, let us get on track in this discussion by learning about the objective that we have for today, and that is to identify the meaning, rite, and importance of the sacrament of reconciliation. Now, let us try to unlock first and try to understand what the word reconciliation means. Reconciliation means to resolve an argument. That is, you want to bring into a changed or better relationship. Say, for example, our friends. If we got into an argument with our friend and we want to do something and bring into a better relationship, a better kind of friendship, you experience or you undergo reconciliation. That is, you are ending the separation of you not being friends anymore, but instead you being friends again. That is getting back together, and that is what we call, and that's how we should understand the word reconciliation. So now, let us try to discover and learn more about what this sacrament of reconciliation is. But before that one, very quickly, I'd like you to think about what are these things that you are curious about the sacrament. What are your questions, or what are the things that you would like to know more about the sacrament of reconciliation? Again, get those fingers working, and on the same page, list down at least 2 or 3 questions that you would like to know or that you have about the sacrament of reconciliation. Now, keeping those questions in mind, let us now move further to knowing what the sacrament of reconciliation is. The sacrament of reconciliation actually has 3 names. It's called the sacrament of reconciliation, that's one. Another is sacrament of penance, and the third one is confession, or its most common name. The sacrament of reconciliation is one of the 7 sacraments of the Catholic Church, one of which we have already discussed, which is the sacrament of baptism. Now, the sacrament of baptism has freed us from our original sin. It cleansed us and gave us the gift of the Holy Spirit. Now, the question is, teacher, what if I have committed sins after I was baptized? How am I gonna be forgiven? What sacrament? And that is the purpose, or that is the gift of the sacrament of reconciliation. Because in this sacrament, we are forgiven or absolved from all sins that we have committed after baptism. And they are, or we are, the faithful, are reconciled with Christ's family, or the Christian family. That is the beauty of the sacrament of reconciliation.